Hi guys, welcome to Life School. We're talking about how to become a charismatic and magnetic person. So let's get started. Imagine if you could enter a room and immediately draw everyone's attention, not because you're boisterous or flashy, but because you exude confidence, warmth, and presence. Today, we're going in-depth on how to become a charismatic and magnetic person, even if you don't feel like you're naturally outgoing. Let's unlock the secrets of true charisma. Charisma doesn't mean you're an extrovert or that you have the Hollywood smile. It's a dominant blend of self-assurance, genuineness, and relation. And guess what? It's a learned skill. You can build it. First, take ownership of your space. Be tall, relax your shoulders, eye contact was established but not blinding. Be clear in speech and don't hurry. Why? Because individuals are attracted to those who appear relaxed and grounded. Your body language is heard before you utter a word. Charismatic individuals make others feel understood. That means, put your phone away, nod with purpose, ask follow-up questions. When you listen sincerely, you make others feel significant, and that's magnetic. Want people to remember what you say? Talk from your heart, not your head. Charismatic individuals use stories, passion, and emotion to connect. It's not about being dramatic, it's about being real. Let your passion, your struggles, and your humor shine through. That openness makes you unforgettable. Mirror the body language and energy of the person you're talking to subtly. This builds unconscious rapport, but only if it feels natural. Never force it. It's about connection, not performance. Charisma starts from the inside out. Work on self-awareness, practice self-respect, feed your curiosity. When you know who you are and what you stand for, people feel that certainty, and they respond to it. Bonus tip, be generous with praise. Magnetic people elevate others, give genuine compliments, acknowledge other people's successes. You'll be remembered not only as charismatic, but kind. So how do you become charismatic and magnetic? 1. Own your presence. 2. Listen deeply. 3. Communicate with passion. 4. Establish rapport by mirroring. 5. Nurture your inner being. 6. Inspire others with authenticity. Remember, charisma isn't inborn. It's constructed. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to exude confidence and connection, begin with one of these habits today.